Number 16 now. What is that? So here the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower in the same straight line which with it are complementary. So prove that. So please step up to that. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meters. Nothing. Very easy question. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the 2 points from at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of a tower. So here there is a tower like this. This tower, let us take it as AB. 1 minute. AB is the height of the tower. So there are 2 points here. Let us take one point as C and other point as D. So from these 2 points, so the angle of elevation, see, so from what they told is from 2 points at a distance of 4 meters and 9 meters from it. So this point is obviously it is at how many meters of distance? 9 meter distance. And here to here how many meter distance? 4 meter distance. So 2 points are 9 meter, one is 9 meter away and one is 4 meter away from the foot of the tower, they told. So the angle of elevations are what? So they are in the straight line which are complementary to each other, they told. So the elevation here, complementary means sum of the two angles will be 90 degrees. So here if it is theta, it will become what? 90 minus theta. See, if you add these two, the sum will be 90. If the sum of the two angles is 90, such type of angles are called as the complementary angles. So here first I will write the data. Let AB be the tower. So let the angle of elevation from given 2 points on the ground is what? Complementary to each other. So let those 2 points be C and D. So given distance from C to A, that is AC is equal to 4 meter, and also distance from D to A. D to A means what? That is AD is 9 meters. The total distance is 9 meters. So what we want to find here? So let height of the tower AB is equal to H. So we need to show this one is are required to prove here H is equal to 6. They told the value of H we have to show it as 6 meter. So for that, what is the first relation I am taking here is take this triangle ABC. So tan 60 and tan 90 minus theta I am taking. Tan 90 minus theta, that means opposite by adjacent, that is H by 4 you will get. Tan 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta is equal to H by 4. So similarly I am taking this whole triangle. From these two relations I am going to get the value of H from triangle ABD. So tan theta is what? H by this total length. This total triangle I am taking here. Opposite by adjacent. Opposite is H, adjacent is 9. So I can take this value as what? H by 9. Once again I am telling this whole triangle I am taking here. A, not A, B, D. This will be H, this whole will be 9. This will be what? Theta. So here tan theta is equal to h by 9. Mark it as the equation. So look at here, tan theta I have here, cot theta I have here. So both are in terms of theta only. So I can write tan and cot are reciprocals to each other. I can write tan theta value here as 4 by h. 4 by h. So mark it as equation number 1, mark it as equation number 2. So both are tan theta only from 1 and 2. So here only I will write from 1 and 2. So both will be equal. What can I write? 4 by h is equal to h by 9. So here I am writing 4 by h is equal to h by 9. So on cross multiplication, I want h value here and that value should be 6 meters. So 4 into 9 is equal to h square. See, 4 into 9, h into h square. H square is equal to 36. Now the value of h will be, the square will goes out of the equal to symbol, that will become square root. H is equal to square root of 36. The value of h will be plus or minus 36. Plus or minus 6. Why? This can be given as plus or minus 6 whole square. Square root will be cancelled. Plus or minus 6 in the sense either the plus 6 or minus 6. See, we do have two possibilities. H is equal to plus 6 and h is equal to minus 6. This is what we call invalid condition. Why? The height should be always in the positive values. That means height can be given in the what we call a positive. That means it can be a rational number, or it can be a whole number, or it can be a any type fraction also. That means, but it should be always positive, not rational number. Positive rational number. So here this could not be taken and this could be taken. The height of the tower will be 6 meters. So this one we have to get the clarity. So complementary each other in the sense, if one is theta, other can be taken as 90 minus theta. So while we are solving the while you are giving complementary angles of the trigonometry, also we have taken one is theta and other is 90 minus theta. Obviously these two are complementary. Since this is 90 already, the sum of these two will be 90. In the same way, this is theta, so this is theta already, this will be 90 minus theta. Since these two sums should be 90. In the same way, if it is theta, it should be 90 minus theta, since sum of these two should be 90.